Tyrone. I'm lynching him. And he is very frisky. The weather is cold and windy, a bit rainy. Yesterday the whole day it rained. And the day before that, Tyrone was for the first time in pair with Bos Rijn. Bos Rijn. We always say Boer Rijn. Farmer Rijn. Okay, never mind. But, well, he's walking. Goed zo, Tyrone. Eraf. Rustig. Goed zo. Oh. Silke en Rijsie. Whoa. What's that? Sally en Vera. Hi there. I cleaned these leaves and I have some help. Over there. Wilt dat helpen?
Ja.
Rijn en
Herder.
Herre. Goed zo jongens. Almost ready. Zitten we op Daisy?
Ja. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Daisy, stop. Stappen.
Sally, Tyrone en Rijsie. Rijntje en Dolly. And the geldings are playing and playing and playing, and the mares are a bit done with it. Good morning. Rijntje en Dolly. Sally. And here's Reisi. Hey. And I want to do something with Tayarijn. I want to try this. Yes, last week he wasn't going that good on the trailer, so today I'm going to try. Yes. Yay. Oh, he is a sweetie. Now he is. I hope he is also walk on the trailer. We shall see. There he is. Goed zo. Hey. Braaf, zeg eens. Ja. Ta-da! Okay, he did a great job. He was hesitating, but later he walked. So he did it perfect. Tayarijn en Yveske. Goed zo, jongen. Braaf. Peach. Okay, we try again. And again. Perfect. Terug. Erbij. Terug. Goed zo. Braaf. Hey. Goed zo. Nou, kom maar. Again. Kom maar. No. Kom maar. Okay, this is what he does. And then suddenly he can come. But not yet. Come on. Goed zo, braaf. Hey. And then I give some pellets. Goed zo. Nou, terug. Terug. Goed zo. Terug. Perfect. Hey Reisi. Come, we're going to try something. Oh. Oh no. Goed zo. Okay. Come on. Braaf. Wow. Yeah. Goed zo. Braaf. Hey, goed zo. Braaf. Super. Hey, terug. Perfect. Hey, come. The whole time it went well. Come. But I didn't film. And I thought, I'm going to film. Goed zo, braaf. Terug. Super. Hey, goed zo. That's it. Hey, Bella and Yveske. And I thought we can practice this, but do you want to go in by yourself? Hey? No, I just brought them inside again and I want to try this, but they have to go to their stall, but they are here. Goed zo. Kom maar. No? Kom maar. Goed zo. Okay, please. I thought I opened it. Goed zo, Bella. Goed zo. Nou, terug. Kom maar, terug. Terug. Goed zo. Hey, Yveske. Mien. Kom maar. Kom maar, Yveske. Kom maar. Braaf. Hey, goed zo. Kom maar. Yveske. Yveske. No? Kom maar. Hey, kom maar. Goed zo. Braaf. Kom maar. Goed zo. Super. Kom maar. Goed zo. Braaf. Hey, kom maar. Goed zo. Hey, braaf. Oh. I never did this before. Goed zo. Well, I think this is this is good. I think I practiced it with them a couple of months ago, and now they just walk in. Come on. Come on. Yveske. Goed zo. Braaf. Terug. 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 Kom maar terug. Terug. Kom maar. Goed zo. Well, that's it. Easy. Let's try this. Kom maar, Yveske. Hey, kom maar. It's a bit narrow. Kom maar. Goed zo. Hey, goed. Kom maar. Kom. Maybe I have to use an halter. Hey. Kom maar. Kom. Kom maar. Hey, braaf. Kom. Okay, I helped her with an halter and she was on the trailer. And now is Yveske. Now is Bella. Sorry. Okay? Kom. Kom maar. Goed zo. Terug. Kom maar, terug. Goed zo. Oké. I never had this before. So here's the halter and there's the horse. Oh, be careful. Goed zo. Oh, I don't have any pellets yet. Well, that's it. Hey, goed zo. Kom maar. Which side? Oeh. Kom maar. This side. Kom maar. Hey. Kom maar, Bella. Goed zo. Kom maar. Kom maar. Or this side. What do you want? Kom maar. Okay. I also help with an halter. Bella? I really don't know what happened, but now she don't want to go inside anymore. Yes? Small steps? I really don't know. Kom maar. No. No. Kom maar. Okay, it took me some time, but Bella was in the car again, in the trailer. But I don't think, no. Well, now I have to try again. Come on, please. Okay, 2 hands. Okay, there she is again. And now terug. Goed zo, braaf. Doe maar. Goed zo. Okay, that's it. think an hour later or something. Yay. Good, so. Okay, next time I do them. Blomke en Boukje. Bellen. Yveske. And they can go outside. Hallo. Kom Boukje. Kom maar. Yveske. Hey Blomke, kom maar. Goed zo. Kom maar. Goed zo, braaf. Hey, goed zo. Braaf. Nou, doe maar terug. Goed zo. En that's Boukje. Goed zo. Hey, braaf. Jee.